Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial guys, we have this Samsung TV and of course the latest TVs 2025 and above. And of course you have one of these Tizen OS or operating system TVs. I'll show you how to adjust the brightness. Alright, so of course here we have the remote. As you can see, it's a Samsung remote. And we're going to navigate. So we're going to go over to your left. So once you move over to your left guys, you should see these options here. You should be on the home. So we're going to come down. And we're going to go to settings. All right, so once we are on settings, you should see option here that says all settings. Do note you could go straight to the brightness from here and adjust it from here. However, I'm going to show you the more detailed setting. So go to all settings. All right, so once you're on all settings, see this has to do with the picture. We're going to go to picture. So once you see here, we're in eco mode, that's the energy saving mode. So we're going to go to expert settings, meaning we're going to manually set the settings. As you can see here, brightness is the first option. It's set to 36. Now it says up here, adjust the picture brightness by fine-tuning levels. Brightness increases as the value nears 50. All right, so of course, remember that we're on 36, so you can see which one works best for you. So if we go into brightness here, that's on 36, we can increase all the way up to about 50. So remember it was at 36. So this is the brightest setting. And of course, we can go back down to the 36 that was there, or we could go lower. All right, so here we are at 25. And depending on what you want, you can set. We can go all the way down. Turn the backlight all the way down, as you can see here, to 0. All right, that's too dark. All right. So we're going to put it back to 36. All right, so 36 is where it was. So we can actually adjust it a bit. So in my case here, I'm going to set it to about 25. All right, so that's way comfortable for me, 25. And then of course, once you're satisfied, you can go back. All right, so as you can see, I'm setting it to 25 now. And that should increase the power savings as well by adjusting the brightness down. All right, so from here, you can exit the menu and we go back to the main screen. So just in case you wanted to adjust the brightness, that's how you do it on your Samsung Galaxy Tizen base operating system based TV. All right, please note as well guys, as I said, that it increases the energy efficiency the lower that you set the settings. So depending on what you would want, you can reduce the power consumption of your set by carrying that value. The lower you carry it, the less energy, as the backlight tends to use significantly less power. And of course, we're in eco mode, so that should go along well with it. All right. So as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. And that's a quick tip showing you how to adjust the brightness on your TV. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.